hayi baba ubonakali baba
ngibheke phansi
cha bheke
yeah
yabo ngithathe nje ungibeke ukuthi kwenzakalani namhlanje lapho
namhlanje sike sibhojeni imali emdlentsheni kuba kaMroza nakaMroza hamba necamera kini lapha phezulu yabo sendela
yeah
uMroza mjababa we came here sazohlaba inkomo so celebrate nomphakathi wakwahlabisa bathi wahlabisa ujabulile ukuthi ubone uMroza iphumelela ujabulile ukubona iMabala Noise we came here to celebrate uMaskandi as a genre okuyona kuphela yasekhaya gospel is not from here kwaito even is not from here R&B is not from here hip hop is not from here so today we're celebrating our own victory so SABC Summer Song of the Year ihlukanisa unyaka ingoma so we're here to celebrate with abantu bakaMroza
mhlawumbe uMaskandi mawubheka ngendlela ongena ngakhona njengoba since uMroza ihlukanisa unyaka kunale 10 off manje ekuthenini ngazathi ingoma zikaMaskandi noma mhlambe umubuka uMaskandi kubacula ubani lozongena nje manje
Thokozanlanga ngamabrazo Mabala Noise simntaba bathi kuMaskandi Thokozanlanga
useMabala Noise
I think uMaskandi ngigxatha umntaka baba and ezumculo kwaziwa njengomculo wabantu basemakhaya nani over the past 2 years ukhulile and njengoba nathi sibawana siphakathi kuona you can be rest assured ukuthi uzohamba ube kwelingizinga for the next 5 years uMaskandi ufikile there's no way sokuphika foot dog
ngenzeka nisibone mhlamba abaculi baMaskandi bejoyina noma becula nabanye abaculi baphesheya kwelwandle njengoba Mabala Noise yenza lento le kwabafana abafana
kakhulu baba simthatha uMaskandi sibe kwelingizinga bhuti wasinoThokozanlanga sinomroza sisayina futhi abambalwa in the next month or 2 uyazi into esibasayina ukuthi kanjani because we believe ukuthi igenre kumele ithathe beke kwelingizinga mntaka baba
usexayineni nje baba ngicela usitshele ukuthi mhlawumbe umuntu ofisa ukujoina iMabala Noise usayinwa kanjani ngena kanjani kuMabala Noise ngabe mhlawumbe uthumela iCV noma uyafona wenze njani
akaqhubeka ukwenza umsebenzi wakhe omuhle mowenza ngendlela eright Mabala Noise uzombona and uzosayina iMabala Noise
hayi mfowethu thina wakho kuphetha nje amanje
I think everyone knows how many challenges we had before sifike la. Kodwa uyabona abantu babulala inyoka babulala uFan Dam. You understand? We were supposed to have recorded the broadcast here today, but we couldn't have it because akunabanye ababera nento esenza but it's fine.